Hi guys, it's our third day here in Tokyo, Japan. For today, we're going to Ginza for more shopping. Not sure if we're going to Disneyland, but let's see. Kasi we need to buy shoes first before going to Disneyland. So mag-shopping muna kami. Ang problem naman, yung pagdadala ng mga shopping bags sa Disneyland. So let's see later. Outfit check.
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down. And you keep on thinking you could save yourself, but that's love, that's just love.
Cross.
You should know something.
Nostalgic. Let's go inside.
Just hope that you will learn. That's just love, that's just love.
Huwag tayo dyan sa kanya. May ganyan sa Philippines. Huwag tayo sa wala. Dito na lang. Here, noodles and tempura. Pata tempura. This is their menu. Dalawa na ito. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Ayan. Kaya yung orders natin. Gawa na yung mga tempura. Nilalagay na lang. Para mabilis. Karagay na lang. Ayan. Thank you. Guys, ang maganda dito, yung mga locals dito kumakain. It's malamig. Malamig yung tempura. Malamig na lang. Yuki soba. Let's go buy our shoes. This one is a cafe. Unitsuka Tiger Cafe. It's too yellow. Start dito. Hello Kitty and stuff. Try kong bumili ng pasalubong for my kids. So my babies. Cinnamon roll. I might get this Vomero Plus or 80. Okay naman. It's comfy enough for me to This one is size 9? Yeah, this is okay. Alpo and pepper set. Bought it. So comfy. Okay, let's go inside H&M. Okay. Nice pants. We'll buy this. We'll buy this one, the pants. Mag-business ng laundry shop. No? Guys, ang galing niya mag-tiktok. Tiger specialty store, and we're looking for Mexico 66 yellow for me. So let's check. Pwede pang customize.
Lang get the feel and yung looks in.
ESD नहीं है क्या?
Kasi yun lang, parang masyado siya manipis. Do we need to fill out any forms or we just process it?
Okay.
It smells ninuko. Yeah, it's very citrusy.
Guys, we're back here at Shibuya, but we're currently looking for a Gucci or Coach store para naman bumili ng gift for mama for her birthday. So I'm looking for a bag. So checking ako ng mga leather goods here in Shibuya. Galing kami ng kanina, Ginza, pero apparently wala kaming makita doon. Pero nakapag-shopping naman ako ng mga personal stuff. Yung makita. Okay. Guys, let's buy this one. So nice. The Naruto. Parang I want din ng Slam Dunk also. Too much? Sige, ito na lang muna. The Naruto.
Do you need a shipping bag?
Ano?
No.
My heart is so happy. Ang ganda na. Ang ganda. So now, let's go to Starbucks. Dito tayo ngayon sa Shibuya Starbucks. With a view of the crossing. But, there's a lot of tao dito. Yoshinoya. Hello. I'll get this. Arigatou gozaimasu. Wow. Some fish, vegetables, and the bacon. The meat, the beef. 160. Try the fish one. Lasang bangus. Guys, finished. Masarap siya. Okay din yung service, mabilis. We're going back to the Starbucks and we're gonna buy the Naruto series. Parang siyang magazine, but more on portrait of Naruto. So I'm gonna buy the first. Hindi naman siya series, pero nung mga bata pa si Naruto. Then yung kanina kasing nabili ko is yung Naruto Shippuden. Then meron pang katlong series, so I'll buy all the available Naruto series magazine. Okay, let's see. Meron din pala mga t-shirts here. Yes, we bought it. Thank you so much. Ito.
And you keep on thinking you can save yourself, but that's love. That's just love. You should know.